the spider. Even the smallest bite from Arachnus dethicus will instantly paralyze. Oh!
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through TMG's Broke Bitch on FL Studio. I'll also leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out as well. First off, we have this bass sound that's introducing the song. That was created on Serum. For oscillator A, I used FM, which you can find inside of digital, and I brought the octave down by 1, and I brought the wavetable position up to 185. Then I layered in Basic Mini, which you can find inside of Analog, and I brought it down by 1 octave as well. For the filter, I'm using the low 24, and I brought the cutoff up to 228 Hz, and I applied envelope 3, which is modulating the cutoff up to 7. Then I brought the drive up to 57%. I put that on my mixer and I'm using Fruity Blood Overdrive, Parametric EQ2 twice to get the sound signature right. Then I'm distorting the sound using Destructor, and then Parametric EQ2 one more time. Then we're layering in a reverse open hi-hat and this hi-hat loop, which I created using this sound. So together it's sounding like this. This continues until we have a short downlifter. This introduces the 808. This is the Dro 808. For filters, I'm using Parametric EQ2 and I'm getting rid of some of the highs, Sound Goodizer and Fruity Blood Overdrive. Then we're layering in this hi-hat, as well as this really weird percussion sound. I created that using these two sounds. Introducing a kick as well, and this pretty heavy clap. This was created using a few different sounds, as well as this bongo sound. So together it sounds like this. Then we're coming into Cody's verse, which is repeating the softer bass. Then it teases the 808. Switches back. Also coming up to the second chorus, we have these cowbell sounds before adding in the other percussion. And that's adding in a new crash sound. Then it switches up to just the hi-hat, the clap, and the bongo sound. After the chorus repeats, we come back to the second verse, which introduces this uplifter. The instrumentals switch up at the end of the song and they introduce this new bass sound. That was again created on Serum. We're using the default saw wavetable and I brought in bend plus minus and I brought that down to the bottom. Then I layered in basic shapes and I brought the wavetable position up to 4. That gives us a square wavetable. And I brought the octave down by 1 and I brought the level down to 46. Then for the filter, we're using the MG low 12 and I brought the cutoff down to 50 Hz. And I'm modulating that with envelope 2 and I brought that up to 25. The resonance is at 10% and the drive is at 86%. So that's creating this sound. Then I put that on my mixer and we're using Parametric EQ2 to bring up the low mids, Sound Goodizer, Fruity Blood Overdrive to make it a bit more gritty, and Fruity Limiter to sidechain with the kick. These purple sections here is where the kick's playing and the sound is being cut out. We have that sound playing with the percussion. Then we're layering in a clap that's hitting every half beat. Then the track finishes with the original bass synth. That's it for the instrumental. If you want a further in-depth look, I will leave the FLP in the description. Apart from that, I'll play a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next time.